Welcome back everybody. So in this video, I'll be talking about DJT, Trump Media and Technology Group. So before we get started, please smash that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel for more contents. Now, if you want to get my daily trade ideas, swing trade ideas, live trading, and all kinds of other trades, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. And now let's get right into DJT. Now, a lot of you guys been asking for it, commenting on my other video that what happened to DJT. Well, you know how I come back with DJT, and it's not one time that it actually happened. This time, many times it happened before, where the stock got a big dump off and I remained silent. I know what things can do, and especially this stock can do. Well, that's why I stayed silent and not making an update, but with a lot of requests, and especially when the stock is going up, it is the right time. Now, I said it before also in my video, there was a gap that we might be pulling back and closing this gap right here. It happened, and some people actually said that, well, it was a gap, runaway gap, it's not gonna get filled. Well, it did. Came down, and that was a massive buying opportunity. Now, where things pull back right here, guys, down to like $11-12. Now, people that are hating and talking about it's going to $5, well, this thing just ripped your shirt off, from your back, because if we short it, what happened? Almost up 200% from these lows. And yes, it's 200% almost right here. Look at this, $34. I still have a position on DJT. Does not matter if it goes to $5 or 500. Not gonna sell, especially when election is right around the corner. And my thoughts on this stock, it's depending on what's going to happen with the election. If Trump goes back into that office, well, he didn't even go there yet. He's not even there. And look at what happened. You got 200% return. Now, this is one time I'm just giving you example on this video. I don't like to go back and forth. There is so many videos I made, and there was a comment a few days ago, or maybe even a few weeks ago. Well, this video did not age well. Looks like that comment did not age well, because I'm still in the stock and I'm still bullish on it, and the stock delivered another 200% from the bottom. So many times, if you go back and watch these videos on these pumps right here in the dump off, only right here I did not make a video saying that this is a huge opportunity, because the election is here, anything can happen. I don't want to trap people talking about buying the dip and then this thing dumps even more, but I remained bullish and I still have my shares, not gonna sell. If you go back and watch all those videos from before, message was same thing, hold till election, and after we might see a massive pump. Now, this is already massive. Especially if you got in at the lows right here near $12, you got almost near 200% return in just a matter of couple trading days. And this is not the only time it happened, guys. Many times, I don't want to go back here, but recent times, look at this right here. From this low down here, huge pump. Came back, people thought, oh, it's going to $5. Nope, it's going up again. $80. Came back, oh, it's going to $5. Nope, boom, up to 56. Came back down again. Oh, it's going down. Well, from 25, it got up to 46. Many times. Only this stock can do it. So now, this thing was coming down, and oh, it's going to $5. Trump is selling all the shares, and it's end of the DJT stock. It's got done. It's gone. Kamala is winning. It's going to $5. I'm gonna short it. A lot of people, and people that are saying they made money on this stock, they shorted. They got burned right here. And look at the squeeze right here. So now election is only 2 weeks away. And I think this is going to be huge week for DJT, especially if you got in at this dip right here. And another thing where, I did not actually make a video when this thing was trading down here at $12. Well, I've been on vacation for 3 weeks now. I still got a few more days left. It's a long vacation. I'm visiting multiple countries, and that's why I'm making actually really less videos on my YouTube channels. And you can see I don't even have moving averages right here. It's not the setup that I use, but the levels are gonna hold, and it's going to find resistance around those levels that I have on the screen. So DJT, my final thoughts, waiting for election, and especially close to the election, we will see a lot of movements right here on DJT. So far, you can see right at the dot, 28 bucks holding just over 28.62. That is the support, and that is your line in the sand for tomorrow. Underneath that, 25, and then we can talk about possibly going down to 20. Now, if this thing consolidate right here before election, you can see this can turn into a nice bull flag pattern, and if there is a breakout over 36, easily can go up to 45 to 46 bucks, and from there this thing can come up and retest this big resistance right here at 56. And don't forget, there is some gaps on top, so anything can happen. But let's say, election is again rigged and cheated and he does not win, well, definitely there will be selling on DJT. So it depends. I made so much money, I don't want to go and show you guys what I did on DJT back and forth so many times on these massive pumps. When the stock came down, I just stayed silent, did not even look at my shares, and I'm not buying options. If you're playing options on DJT, well, good luck with that. I don't see there's a lot of money, especially with spread and how this thing moves. I tried before. I didn't get any luck. I'm just holding shares, and so far, shares that I'm holding, it's totally free out of the stock because they're paid over and over, time and time again and again. So DJT free shares I'm holding for more money, and I think there will be more upside, especially going into that election against Kamala. Unless there is a really bad election where Trump does not win and we get some really bad news, in that case, yes, there will be selling. But I think this stock can do really well, especially if Trump goes back into that office. You're going to see massive pump. So DJT, in my view, especially if you're subscribed to my channel, watching this video, not commenting, oh, this video did not age well. I got that comment right here also many times. It was a many month consolidation and I remained bullish, and then guess what happened? Shorts and people that are bearish on the stock, they lost money, not me, because I didn't sell a single share on this consolidation. And even right here, before that, we had consolidation right here. So DJT, not something that I would sell quickly just for, this is the end and let's just get out. DJT is definitely something to hold longer, especially if this man wins the office again. There will be lots of other good news around, Trump going back into that office, guys. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. And if you got in at these lows, kudos to you. If you don't want to hold, just set up a stop loss and play it to the upside. But keep that in mind, election is coming, and holding this stock, you can make a lot of money, 500-600% on a move like this, or whatever you made, you can just take profit, or you can set up a stop loss and just hold it if you like to hold. That is my view on DJT, and I'm still holding. I'm not even gonna get stopped out. Like I said, my shares are totally free on this stock because of how many trades and how I traded this stock. Made a lot of money. So these shares that I have right now, even if this thing goes down to zero, I have nothing against it because I already got paid enough money from the stock on these pumps back and forth, where this thing got up to like 80 bucks, 50 bucks, and I did take profit on this run here. So even right here and the run that actually happened right after this thing coming into the market, I made money. So I'm totally fine with anything that I get on DJT to the upside. And even if this thing does not actually make it to the upside and this is it, I'm still happy with that stock from what I made. But your situation might be different, so use a stop loss if you're actually in the stock. And that's all I have for you guys, and I'll definitely make more updates as we get closer to election. And that is why I was waiting. I was gonna make a video a week before election, but since there's a lot of requests, and especially that comment where it says this video did not age well, well, you got 200% right here. If this is not aging well, then you need to check back, you need to check your face in the mirror and say, hey, I shorted right here into the hole, and now I got punished because of this pump right here on DJT from almost 11 bucks up to 34, 35 bucks. Thank you so much, guys.